On the 8th of December 2020, the smallholder farmers women in Nigeria visited the Cyprian Ekwensi Center for Arts and Culture located in the city of Abuja to mark a historic day. The day they retired their local hoes. A bold move to demand for better farming equipment that are particularly women-friendly.
Farming, women are not considered. We have been left with this since we inherited from great-grandparents. So today, we are putting it in the museum to tell the government that enough is enough of no loans for us, no good thing whenever it comes to the issue of women. We see more women sweeping the streets instead of doing other vulnerable things. We are tired of this whole hope. They should look inward and provide good technology that women can handle, that is women friendly. That's why we're here.
While at the art center, the women did demonstrations on how stressful it is to continue to farm with old implements. They also highlighted the various challenges that come with being farmers in different parts of Nigeria.
These smallholder women farmers in Nigeria have been using this local hoe to feed the nation since before the time of Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. If you count the number of presidents after Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, you will see different changes in the faces of the presidents. But this hoe have never changed in our hands.
Small scale women farmer, so far, no farmer, no food, no nation.
This hoe can no longer even feed us as farmers, talk less of us to feed the nation. So we want to tell the government that we are retiring this hoe to the museum and to talk to them that we need mechanized farming as smallholder farmers to be able to increase production in our farms so that we can feed the nation, and based on our population we are sure, based on what we are doing, we can even feed the whole of Africa.
As the Director General, I'll work with your leadership. We'll work with them so that your voice will be loud and clear. I'm so happy that you are aware of all these things. And in fact, as time goes on, you even have exchange visits so that you'll be able to relate with other farmers in other parts of the world. Because we are not in a global village.
We want government to combine food security with security. If there is no security, there will be no food security. For the fact that our women are now saying they cannot afford to the farm. So we need to make sure that there is security so that the farmers can go back to the farm and produce food to be able to feed the nation.
The whole of Africa is rejecting the old ways of farming for women. So that's why we're here in the museum, because we know that this is where old things are left and left forever.